Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV EWA 2024. Make sure you're subscribed to TFBTV Showtime, our sister channel, if you want live videos from EWA 2024 here in Nuremberg, Germany. I am at the Savage booth. We are looking at a new lightweight hunting rifle. Savage, a lot of us, when we think of Savage, you think of quality, but also relatively low price. Now, I'm looking at the spec sheet for this gun before I ask them to take it off the wall, and this is a collaboration with, as we say in the US, like some Gucci manufacturers. So I was quite surprised. Jens, please tell us about this collaboration that you guys have done with this product here.
Yeah, that's that model. What we have here is a 110 Ultralight Elite, and it's based actually on the success we have since several years going up in the feature level with the guns. You know, High Country was one of the first high-end guns that Savage built, and we continue. This is, as the name implies, based on the Ultralight, which is a success model of us, which features the Proof Research barrel. I mean, a barrel is the heart of the rifle, and this really is extremely well made. It's a stainless steel carbon fiber wrap barrel. It has features like a big heavy match barrel, but with the extreme lightweight. You're saving 900 grams or 2 pounds of weight here on the barrel alone. It accepts all bullets, hunting bullets, target bullets, shoots excellent accuracy, very well with shooting hot temperature, you know, shooting it hot. And it features a muzzle brake, but underneath it's a thread. You can use moderators or silencers, which are very popular in Europe.
Yeah.
And the second high-end feature, upgraded from the regular Ultralight, is the MDT 26, or called Oryx stock. You know, it's a magnesium carbon fiber stock, AR-15 compatible pistol grips, height adjustable, length adjustable, and foldable. So for transport, extreme compact with an extreme lightweight, but very stable, very accurate stock system. AICS magazines, you can have flush fitting 3 rounds, 5 rounds, 10 rounds, very compatible. It comes with a 20 MOA Picatinny rail. It's a stainless steel receiver, fluted, make it very lightweight, hard coated. The bolt has a new diamond pattern, and it's a Cerakote micro slick covering on it. Adjustable trigger, of course, Savage signature, 3-position safety with bolt lock. So we have here the Omniport muzzle brake. Underneath the 5/8 by 24 threading for the silencers or muzzle brakes. Proof Research barrel. The forend has M-lock adapter points, push button swivel points, ARCA rail, M-lock underneath, regular swivel stud. And then here you have the different magazines you can use, flush fit, longer ones. AR-15 compatible pistol grip, you can change it, but it's really nice, made of carbon. Even the bolt knob is made of carbon on this model. And then here you have the height adjustable and spacer adjustable side.
Jens, talk to me about pricing and availability on this.
Yeah, it will start shipping around May. And first one shipping now, but May will really ship it. And US retail price, it's $3,299. In Europe, more higher because VAT is included here. It's like $3,800. But I mean, for what it is, if you look at the price of the stock and the barrel alone,
right,
it is just a bargain.
Right. And I did forget to ask you about calibers. I know you guys always launch with a whole salvo of calibers for all your rifles, so I imagine we're talking probably over a half dozen. But
really good point, because what we have here for the first time, we have shorter barrel lengths in the Proof Research barrels for the first time with Savage. So we have 6.5 Creedmoor and 308 in an 18-inch barrel. And we have 7 PRC, 300 WSM, 300 Win Mag. We have it in a 20-inch barrel.
Just rattling them off. I mean, the guy, does he have a cheat sheet back there?
No, I'm a user. I'm a user myself.
There we go. There we go.
So all you can ask for in a rifle.
Talk to me about the trigger weight.
Trigger weight is between 680 and 1,500 grams, custom adjustable, so you can adjust.
Break out your calculators, boys. I don't know what that is in American.
1.5 to 4 pounds.
There we go. Too easy. Jens, I got to tell you, man, you made my job really easy with this video. I mean, you just gave me the full rundown. All I can say is this is quite impressive. I mean, you've collaborated with MDT. If you're not familiar with MDT, Canadian company that makes some of the best bolt rifle chassis out there. Proof Research with this incredible carbon fiber barrel. Well thought out, well put together design. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us about it. Excellent presentation, sir. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing you more from EWA 2024, but I can't promise they're going to be as good as Jens. Take care, guys.